Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Faithful devotees, today also we are going to explain under the chapter 6 about the compendium of Metta Rupa. Today's our title, the occurrence of material phenomena. Rupa Vatikkama. Rupa Vatikkama is according to the plane, according to the bhumi, existence, how we understand the Paramatta Rupa, material phenomena. According to the Abhidhammatta Sangha Pali, the explaining the sensual in the sensual world. First of all, explaining Sabbani panetani rupani kama loke yataraham anunani pavattiyang upalabhanti patisandhiyang pana sansedajana cheva opati sansedajanam cheva opapatikanancha chakku sota gahana jivha kaya bhava vattu dasaka sankatani satta dasa prakani patu bhavanti ukkatta vasena ඕමක වශයෙන් පන චක්කුසෝත ගාන භාව දසකානි කදාචි පින්න ලබ්භන්ති තස්මා තේසං වශයෙන් කලාපහානි වේදිතබ්බා. This is according to Pali. Okay, but anyway, if you can read, it's okay. If you cannot read properly, it's no problem. You please follow the meaning. All the material phenomena are obtained with no deficiency according to the circumstances during the course of existence in the sensual world. Okay, sensual world. But at rebirth linking to moisture born being and to those of spontaneous birth, there arise at most the 7 Dasaka Kalapa. The Dasaka Kalapa of eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, sex, and the heart base. As a minimum, sometimes the eye, ear, nose, and sex Dasaka Kalapa are not obtained. This is how deficiencies of material groups should be understood. This is explaining the brief meaning of Pali paragraph. Again, the coming the Pali, Gabba Sayyaka Sattanam Pana Kaya Bhava Vattu Dasaka Sankatani Tini Dasakani Patu Bhavanti Tattahapi Bhava Dasakang Kadachi Na Labhati Tato parang pavatti kale tameva kamena chakku dasakadinicha patu bhavanti. To the womb-born creatures, there arise at rebirth 3 dasaka kalapa. The dasaka kalapa of body, sex, and the heart base. Sometime, however, the 6 Dasaka Kalapa is not obtained. Thereafter, during the course of existence, gradually there arise the eye, Dasaka Kalapa, and so forth. Okay, this is the brief meaning of according to the Pali. How we understand this is also very important thing because according to the plane, especially in the karma world, now we are living in the sensual world, we have to know the how many material appear in our plane, and therefore how many material for the each person, and how many rupa group arising in the birth linking moment and after birth linking moment. But this everything we have to know clearly. In the section, we will analyze the appearance of various type of rupa kalapas according to the following categories. Okay. Now now we are going to explain about the rupa kalapa according to the following categories. By the different planes of existence, please refer to Appendix 1 for the chart on the various planes of plane of existence. Sensual world, Kama Loka. Fine material world, Rupa Loka. Non-perception being, Asanya Satta. Immaterial world, Arupa Loka. Now there are 4 places. Now about the sensual world. What is the sensual world? According to the Pali explain, from Avicii to until Mara world, until 6th last Deva world. There are 11 the plane, 11 place, 11 existent Bhumi. This includes the 4 woeful states, hell beings, animals, hungry ghosts, and asura. Human beings as well as the 6th Deva realm. Okay, now what is the Kamavachara world? What is the sensual world? Now you remember that there are 11 type of place. There are 4 woeful place and the human world and 6 Deva world, Deva realm. Those are 11 realm we call sensual world, Kama Loka. How about Rupa Loka, the fine material world? The fine material is Brahma. Are born, they are due to material jhana attainment. They have rupas, but their body are very subtle and different from beings in the sensual realm. Now now we can we want to know about the what is the Brahma world. The Brahma is the Rupavachara, fine material world. There are actually there are 16, except Asanya Sat, there are 15. There are 15. The 15 world. But they have Rupa, but their body are very subtle. They have the Rupa, but very subtle and different from being in the sensual realm. Not like us, not like Deva. The Brahma and the sensual world Deva, totally they are different. Totally they are different. How about Asanya Satta? Asanya Satta, non-perception being. Note, the non-perception being, Asanya Satta realm is actually part of the fine material world. It is analyzed separately because the Asanya Satta being have different rupas compared to the other Brahma being in the Rupa Loka, because those are Rupa totally different with other Brahmas, because other Brahmas Rupa always working with the consciousness, with the mind, because but in the Asanya Sattva, But those the rupa arising without mentality, don't have any cause of mentality. Because of that, that's why the separate separately because of asansata being have different rupa compared to the other Brahma being in the rupa world. Immaterial world, arupa loka. The immaterial realm, Brahmas, do not have any rupa. Don't have any rupa. They only have mentality. They have only mentality. Don't have any rupa. Okay, you understand. Now, by the different time of periods, now because every being have the Patisandhi moment and Pavati moment. How we understand this the different period, different time of the being. Rebirth linking moment, it's called Patisandhi. During the course of existence, we call Pavati. Okay, now there are two time period of the being, rebirth linking moment and during the course of existence, Pavati moment. How we understand about the Patisandhi moment, rebirth linking moment. This is the arising sub-moment of rebirth linking, the very beginning point of a new existence. For human beings, this refers to the first arising sub-moment of conception in the mother's womb. Okay? Because the Patisandhi is the first mind moment, first sub-moment of the new Patisandhi. The new, this is a rising sub-moment of the rebirth linking, the very beginning point of a new existence. Very important, no? The very beginning point of new existence. For human being, this refers to the first arising sub-moment of conception in the mother's womb. About the Pavati, this refers to the period of existence starting immediately after the Patisandhi arising sub-moment. Okay, this is starting immediately after the Patisandhi arising sub-moment until the end of that life with the perishing of the death consciousness. Now, this is a Pavati. After Patisandhi sub-mind moment, the Patisandhi sub-mind moment is called Patisandhi. After sub-mind moment of Patisandhi until death consciousness, we call the during the course of existence, Pavati. This is a Pavati. Now, you can understand the chart 5.1, Patisandhi and Pavati. You can see about the note. But the Patisandhi is a rebirth linking moment to the death consciousness. Okay. Now the Patisandhi is called only first mind moment. First mind moment is Patisandhi. But we know the one moment there are the two arising, standing, and perishing. There are three sub-mind moments. No. The first sub-mind moment is called Patisandhi. Very clear, no? First sub-mind moment is called Patisandhi. After first sub-mind moment means the middle sub-mind moment till Chuti, death consciousness. Is called Pavati, cause of existence. It's called Pavati. Pavati. Okay. And now you can understand what is the difference between two different time period about the Rupa, about the Patisandhi Rupa and Pavati Rupa. Patisandhi Rupa and what is the difference between Pavatti Rupa? You should understand according to the this chart. Please continue. About the sensual world. Now again, we want to explain clearly about the sensual world, Kama Loka. We will start to analyze from the sensual world, Kama Loka. In the sensual world, Kama Loka, during the course of existence, Pavatti. Now we are going to talk about the Pavatti. All 28 types of Rupa can be found according to the circumstances. According to the circumstances means that for a man, there can be only 27 types of Rupa. Okay? There is no female sex Rupa because who is the man? Who is the man? He doesn't have female sex Rupa. But who is the female? Don't have a male sex Rupa. Similarly, for the female, there can be only 27 Rupa without the male sex Rupa. However, we can say that is general, all 28 types of Rupa can be found among being in the sensual world. Okay? You understand now? Very clear? Because totally there are 28 Rupa, but among the 28, for each person there are 27. For the male, for the female, there are 27. But we go to, please continue. There are also exceptions such as those who are blind. Okay, very clear. Very clear, please. Those who are blind from birth will not have eye sensitivity. Very clear, no? Because someone blind from the birth through the life never ever appear eye sensitivity. Those who are deaf from birth will not have ear sensitivity. Sotappasada. The same way, those of neuter gender, Napunsaka, will not have any sex materiality, Bhavarupa. Bhavarupa. Okay, this is also very important to know. Everyone must understand very clearly who is the blind person, who is the deaf, who is the neuter gender. Then we can understand there are how many Rupa and how many Rupa except how many Rupa include. Exclude and include. But in general, all 28 types of Rupa can be found during the course of existence of being in the sensual world. Sensual world. However, during rebirth linking moment, Patisandhi, not all Rupas are present. Very important. Because during the Patisandhi moment, not arising all of 27 Rupa or 20 other Rupa. Or 27 Rupa not arising during the Patisandhi moment. The type of Rupa Kalapa present at Patisandhi are different according to the circumstances and how certain being come to be born mood of birth. Now because according to the but now every being in the Patisandhi moment cannot appear all types of Rupa, no? But some of the Rupa arising the Patisandhi moment, some Rupa arising the Pavatti moment. That's why but according to this Patisandhi, there are four mood of birth. This one also according to the Sutta explained. But we try to combine together Sutta and Abhidhamma, how we understand. Four mode of birth. There are four ways of birth. The Buddha explained in the Mahasihanada Sutta, coming from Majjhima Nikaya, under the 12th Sutta, number of the 12, that there are 4 modes of birth or generation, 4 types of generation, birth generation. Chatassoko ima sariputta yoniyo katama chatasso andaja yoni, jalabuja yoni, sedaja yoni, and upapatika yoni. Sariputta, there are these 4 kind of generation. What are the 4? Egg-born generation, worm-born generation, moisture-born generation, and spontaneous generation. Okay, there are 4 types of generation. Now you can read Pali later also, but I try to give the brief meaning of the 4 types of generation. What is the egg-born generation? What is the egg-born generation? There are these beings born by breaking out of the shell of an egg. This is called egg-born generation. Birds, except fish, etc. Okay, now about the what is the egg-born generation? Is there are these beings born by breaking out of the shell of an egg. This is called egg-born generation. The same way, Jalabuja, what is worm-born generation? There are these being born by breaking out from the embryonic membranes of the worm. This is called worm-born generation. Worm-born generation. Human being, some animal like mammals, and such as elephant, horses, and dog, etc. Okay, this one also we understand very clearly. No need to explain. What is the moisture-born generation? There are these being born in a rotten fish, in a rotten corpse, in rotten porridge, in a spit, or in a sewer. This is called moisture-born generation. Maggots, worm, some small insect. Okay. What is spontaneous generation? There are deva and hell beings and certain human beings and some beings in the lower world. This is called spontaneous generation. Devas, Petas, hell beings, etc. They do not need to grow from a small pouches. They are born directly as grow up person. From example, they are born fully formed like 16 years old. These are the 4 kind of generation. Now this is according to the Sutta explained. But now very clear, egg-born generation only for the animals, no, some kind of animals, very clear. For the Jalabuja, human and animals. And the Upapatika, Deva, and the hell being, certain human being, etc. Upapatika. The Sansedaja is only the worm, some small insect. But if I'm not wrong, I remember some of the human being can appear in the 4th way. Means the sometime very rare. Sometimes human being can appear by egg-born generation. If I not wrong, during the King Asoka period, the father is a human. Mother is Kinnara. Kinnara is the one of the big birds living in the Himalaya. But because of the man, that birds gave the 2 eggs, quite big. Later on, at that time, that egg gave the 2 baby, Kutti, Putta, and Tissa. That they give the 2 name. But later on, 2 of them ordained in the Sasana, and they became Arahat during the King Asoka period. The same way about the Jalabuja understand the Sansedaja. Now I can get the 2 examples about the human world. During the Buddha's time, one of the great Brahmin, his name Pokkarasati. He is a very skillful Brahmin. That Brahmin also appear in the lotus flower in the pond, inside the lotus flower. One of the ascetic live near the Himalaya forest, actually in the Himalaya, but nearby the river. Every day he going to river take shower, and one day he saw the very big lotus flower coming, but very quite big, but still not blooming. Then he when he touched the lotus flower, they automatically bloom. At that he saw the one of the baby inside. It's a pokkara we call pond. He born in the pokkara, in the pond of the lotus flower. Because of that, they give the name Pokkarasati. The same way, do you remember the one sutta, Isigili Sutta, coming from the Digha Nikaya, if I'm not wrong, the Digha Nikaya, Isigili Sutta. Isigili is one of the mountain in the Rajagaha in India. That mountain they give the name Isigili. Isi is an ascetic monk or Pacheka Buddha, silent Buddha. 500 silent Buddha always come by sky and stay in the that mountain. When the people looking, they see the silent Buddha or the ascetic monk, the noble person. They eat the mountain. This is they give the Isigili. But those are 500 Pacheka Buddha appear. They give their mothers is one of the queen that named Padumavati. That lady, that mother also rebirth in the lotus flower. Actually, that Padumavati, that queen, later she appeared during our Sasana. She became the Uppalavanna, maybe if I not wrong, Uppalavanna. This way, we have some example regarding Andaja and Sansedaja. The same way Upapatika. During our Buddha's time, there are 2 of the lady appear just like Upapatika. Chinchimanavika appear in the Rajagaha city under the Chinchi's turmeric tree. Chinchi, under the turmeric tree. That's why we gave the name Chinchimanavika. Another one is Ambapali. Amba is the mango, no? One of the lady appear under the mango tree in the Vesali city, Ambapali. 2 of them is also Upapatika. Anyway, we have to understand the 4 type of birth generation, no? 4 type of birth generation. Of these four types of generation, the first two types, egg-born and worm-born, are together considered as Gabbaseyaka. Now very important, no? Because we want to know about what is the meaning Gabbaseyaka bean. Gabbaseyaka. Of these four types of generation, the first two types, egg-born and worm-born, are together considered as Gabbaseyaka. Laterally, those who lie in womb before they are born lie in womb. It is also generally known as worm-born. Okay. The egg-born is also considered under lie in womb or worm-born as the unlined egg. It's first conceived and rest inside the womb before it is being laid. Table the 5.2 classification of type of generation, mode of birth. Mode of birth. Four types and three types. How we understand egg-born and worm-born. The two become Gabbaseyaka. Moisture-born Sansedaja becomes Sansedaja. Spontaneous-born and spontaneous-born. Now about moisture-born, Sansedaja and spontaneous-born Opapathika. How we understand. As rebirth linking, Patisandhi is a direct result of past karma. Only Kamaja Rupa Kalapas will first appear at the Patisandhi moment. This applies for all planes except for Arupa Loka and for all modes of generation. For moisture-born, Sansedaja and spontaneous-born, at rebirth link in Patisandhi, there arise at the maximum 7 types of Rupa Kalapa. There are 7 types of Rupa Kalapa. Chakku Dasaka, Sota Dasaka, Ghana Dasaka, Juha Dasaka, Kaya Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, either male or female. Heart base, the Hadaya Vattu Dasaka. At the minimum, 3 types of Rupa Kalapa. Juha Dasaka, Kaya Dasaka, Dasaka and Hadaya Vattu Dasaka. Yeah, okay. Here, the 7 types of Rupa Kalapa means that there are these 7 different kind of Rupa Kalapas, but each type may exist in great quantity. For example, Deva is reborn fully formed as a 16 years old. So there would be million of Chakku Dasaka, million of Sota Dasaka, etc. There are only 7 different types, but each type appears in great quantities. For some of moisture-born and spontaneous-born, the being, some of these 7 types of Rupa Kalapas may be absent during rebirth linking moment, Patisandhi moment. Sometimes some are born without Chakku Dasaka, group of Chakku Kalapa. They are blind and only have the remaining 6 types of Rupa Kalapa. Sometimes the ear Sota Dasaka may be absent for those who are deaf. And sometimes the nose Gahana Dasaka may be absent for those without the sense of smell. Sometimes the sixth Bhava Dasaka is not present. The commentary give the example of being born at the beginning of the Eon, the world circle, Kappa. At the start of the Kappa, human beings are born spontaneously, not from mother womb. They are reborn from the higher Brahma world. Such beings are born without sex kalapa, with no more bhava. There is no difference in gender, no male, no female. Their mind was pure and that at that time. Subsequently, as the craving develops, six bhavadasaka start to arise, and there arise male and female beings. Beings became even more lustful because of the raga. No, after they are looking each other, they are arising the attachment, the lust. Because according to the lust mind, arising the gender. Sometime more than one of these rupa kalapas, chakku, sota, gahana, bhava, dasaka, may be absent. At the minimum, their rupa kalapa, there are three rupa kalapas of tan, chakku, jiva dasaka, kaya dasaka, and hadaya dasaka. We always be present. Therefore, for moisture born, Sanseta and spontaneous born, Upapathic beings, who are born with complete sense, there are 7 types of Rupa Kalapas. At rebirth link in Patisandhi, when some of these sense are absent, there can be fewer than 7 types, but at least 3 types of Rupa Kalapa. About the Gabbasayaka being. For the Gabbasayaka being, such as human, only 3 types of Rupa Kalapa arise at rebirth linking Patisandhi moment. Kaya Dasaka body, the 10 group of body, that's body, same way Bhava and heart base. Sometimes the 6 Bhava Dasaka is not obtained from those without gender, Napunsaka. After the moment of rebirth, during the course of existence, the other Rupa Kalapas, such as the eye, ear, nose, tongue, develop gradually over time. This process of gradual development is explained in the Indaka Sutta in Samyutta Nikaya. Okay, but now you have to understand clearly what is the difference between Sansevaja, the being, and spontaneous being. The same way about the Gabbasayaka being. Because of every Patisandhi moment of the being, every being's Patisandhi moment not the same. Totally they are different. But especially in the Indaka Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya, from the Yakka Samyutta, explaining about the Gabbasayaka, about the how the Patisandhi and the appear in the mother's womb. Okay, explaining. Pattamang kalalang hoti, kalala hoti abudang, abuddha jayate pesi, pesi nibbattati ganu. Gana pasaka jayanti kesa loma nakapicha. First, there is the kalala. From the kalala comes the abuddha. From the abuddha, the face is produced. From the face, the gana arises. From the gana emerge the limbs, the head hair, body hair, and nails. Based on the various commentary, the following information are some summaries from reference. Table 3, stage of human forest development. The Patisandi, the color development. The time is Patisandi. Name is and descriptions. Okay, detail. But the Patisandi moment is called Kalala. We call Kalala. Kalala is the 3 Kalapas. Kaya Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, Vatu Dasaka. Okay, now remember, no? They are about the what's the Kalala meaning? First Patisandi moment, there are 3 Kalapa. Kaya Dasaka, Bhava Dasaka, and Vatu Dasaka. Just like clear water, like Rupa. There are 30 Rupas. Very small, a drop of oil hanging on the tip of a single thread made of 3 hairs of a newborn goat's wool. The same way, like a drop of sesame oil or of unclouded ghee. Okay, unclouded ghee. About this is the first. After the second week, Abbuddha form like Rupa, like a water which has been used to be washed meat, colored but still liquid. Okay, this is the second week. About the third week, we call Pesi, solid Rupa, a lump of flesh resembling an egg of a hen in shape but not as big, becomes a small solid fortress. Solid. There was the fifth week, Pasaka, 5 swelling like branches of the fortress. Means Pasaka means branch. The 5 swelling on that lump of flesh appear, 2 hands, 2 feet, and the head. Okay, now see the 11th week. Chakku Sota Gahana Juha. Eye, ear, nose, tongue sensitivity arise. 42. 42nd week. 42nd week. Kesa, Loma, Naka, head hair, body hair, nails, etc. appear. But please read. This is according to the commentary of Kathavattu by Bhante Buddhaghosa. In the sub commentary of Abhidhammatta Vibhavini Tika, it is explained that Chakku Dasaka arising in the 7th week, Sota Dasaka arising in the 8th week, Gahana Dasaka arising in the 9th week, Jiva Dasaka arising in the 10th week. Okay, that's why they are all together combined. The 11th week going to complete it, Chakku Sota Gahana Jiva Kaya. Okay. But anyway, they have the notes under your note. They have extra notes. The timing where these 4 type of cells. But anyway, you can understand but because we can the reference how we exactly understand about the Kalapa going to complete. Okay, now the page number 11 is going to complete. So we can see that at the Patisandhi moment, there are only 3 types of Rupa Kalapa or 30 types of Rupas in the embryo stage called Kalala. Subsequently, the other Rupa Kalapas begin to appear gradually as the fetus grow in the mother's womb. The eye, Chakku Dasaka, Sota Dasaka, Ghana Dasaka, Juha Dasaka start to appear gradually on the 11th week or between the 7 to the 10 week. Now you can understand clearly after read this table. Table 4, the arising of Rupa Kalapas at Patisandhi for Kamaloka. Now about the sensual world. Now we know about Ukkatta and Omaka, superior at most, inferior minimum. About the rebirth linking moment. Moisture born and spontaneous born. The being of the Sansedajan, being of Upapatika. About the Ukkatta, superior, or maybe at most, the completely in the Patisandhi moment can appear 7 kalapa. There are 7 kalapa. Chakku dasaka kalapa, Sota dasaka kalapa, Ghana dasaka kalapa, Jiva dasaka kalapa, Kaya dasaka kalapa, Bhava dasaka kalapa, Hade, Vattu dasaka kalapa. Because some of the Deva, no? Example, some of Deva appear, the Patisandhi moment can appear 7 kalapa. 7 kalapa, 7 group of rupa. But no more Jivita Navaka, the 9 group of life faculty, not appear. Because after Patisandhi moment, going to appear the Jivita Navaka kalapa. In the Patisandhi submind moment, arising only 7 kalapa, but either male or female 6. Okay. About the minimum, minimum how many kalapa? They say 3 to 6 kalapa, because sometimes may not have the eye because he's blind. Sometimes may not have ear, he's deaf. Sometimes not is male, may not have the nose. And but definitely they have the tongue and body. And sometimes may not have the gender, male or female 6 kalapa. But they have the heart base. That's why the must be definitely there are 3 kalapa arising in the Patisandhi moment of the minimum. But sometimes we can add. Sometimes they have eye, ear, but don't have nose. Sometimes don't have eye. Sometimes don't have bhava. But anyway, you can understand what is the difference between superior moment of Patisandhi and inferior moment of Patisandhi of Sansedaja being and Upapatika being. About the Gabbasayaka. Gabbasayaka, in the Patisandhi moment can appear superior Patisandhi moment. There are 3 kalapa, 3 dasaka kalapa. The inferior Patisandhi moment can appear only 2 dasaka kalapa. What are the 3? In the Gabbasayaka being Kaya dasaka, Bhava dasaka and Hade dasaka. There are 3 kalapa. About the minimum or inferior, sometimes don't have Bhava dasaka, except Bhava, they are Kaya dasaka and Hade dasaka. Okay. Now this way, we have to understand about the sensual world. How many rupa appear in the Patisandhi moment? How many Rupa arising after Patisandhi. And there are 4 types of generation. But Andaja, Jalabuja, Sansedaja, and Opapada. According to the 4 generation, we should understand about the Kalapa. Especially in the Patisandhi movement arising only Kama born Kalapa, Kamaja Kalapa. After Patisandhi submine movement can appear Utuja Temperach born Kalapa, the same way Chitta born Kalapa and Nutriment born Kalapa. But now we study only the Patisandhi moment. Patisandhi moment. But later on, we can understand the continuity of occurrence. The means the other kalapas, because now this is a Patisandhi moment we already study. After Patisandhi submine moment, how the rupa arising in the power, the existence of throughout the life. Okay. Then if you have anything asked to me, please let me know, because I think today lesson I cannot say not so deep, but maybe quite serious, because it means the new thing we can study. No, new thing we can get good to know about the rope of the according to the plane. Especially now we call only today explain only the sensual word. Please let me know. Do you have anything to ask? Please let me know.
Thank you, Bhante. Bhante, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
How about eggs? Where the Patisandhi appears in the egg itself before it is hatched, incubated by the hen. For example, a chicken egg.
No, because usually the after egg come out, don't have Patisandhi, but later on the hen they have to give the worm, start the worm, give the worm for the egg. Yes. At that time, it's going to start the Patisandhi.
Well, because what we understand is that we should not eat the eggs with. Somebody say we should not eat the eggs with. I don't know what it calls inside.
Oh, actually, according to the Parabhava Sutta.
Yes.
Parabhava Sutta explain, Eka jangva dijangvapi yoda panani hinsati. Someone going to beat Eka jangva dijangvapi. The one Patisandhi person or 2 Patisandhi person. 1 Patisandhi being or 2 Patisandhi being. The dijang means the 2 Patisandhi mean for the egg.
Oh.
2 Patisandhi.
Yes,
First Patisandhi, they're coming from the mother's womb. Later on, they come from after they break the shell.
Yes. So 2 birth meaning.
Yeah, 2 birth.
Yes. So when the life really started from the
mother's womb. Mother's womb.
Oh, so the life started from the mother's womb, and then but how to say what is what's the definition saying that there is a life since the Patisandhi only started after the chick is hatched. You know what I mean by that?
Because when the egg come out from the mother's womb, already they are kalala, already the Patisandhi. But this one can grow up after give the worm of the hen. Because the halala is still halala there, yes. But without the worm of the hen,
yes,
cannot grow up.
Yes. So meaning Patisandhi is in the egg, Bhante? Is that correct?
In the egg.
Okay. In the egg. Okay. Yes, I understand.
That's why this is direct in the Parabhava Sutta Lord Buddha mentioned.
Yes.
Don't break the egg. Don't kill the egg.
Yes, yes. Okay.
This is a Panatipata.
But nowadays there are some eggs that we don't.
Yeah, but nowadays they say that in the egg, but don't have the don't have the color, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
No bean, no,
yes.
Don't have bean. But we are going to take the different egg in about the bird's egg also different eggs. Nowadays they're selling, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Quite dangerous.
Okay, understand. Okay, understand, Bhante. Yes. Another question. Brother JJ is wanted to ask question. Brother JJ, can you on the mic?
Hello, sorry, this is Ching.
Yes,
Bhante, so with follow up on the question on the eggs, right? So there are two types of eggs, right? Some eggs are not fertilized. So if we talk about the Patisandi, we are talking about the fertilized egg, right? So some eggs, they are just not fertilized and, so no life inside there.
Yes. If no life egg, it's okay, no problem, because Bodhisattva egg.
Okay, thank you very much, Bhante.
Yeah, if no life egg means Bodhisattva egg. Yeah, some Sri Lankan call,
Okay. Bodhisattva egg. Okay. Yeah, Bhante, I just want to confirm another question. I just want to confirm just now what Bhante was saying. For us human, not generally, we only know that human is only born from mother's womb. So according to what Bhante had said, actually human also born out of the other three modes of birth. That is all, yeah. So 4 modes, but most of them are recorded in the sutta. Is that correct?
The Upapatika recorded in the sutta, and the Andaja and but egg born and the moisture born, not in the sutta, but I remember that. Sorry, the moisture also recommended in the sutta because the Pokkarasati, no?
Yes.
In the sutta. But egg born, remember during the King Asoka period, they give the example in the commentary.
Okay.
Sub-commentary, I think.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, sub-commentary. Saratta Deepani Vinaya Tika, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Saratta Deepani Vinaya Tika explain.
Another question, just now I also heard Bhante say, Bhante's lessons today are only Kamavachara.
We can continue next week.
Oh, okay. So from other bhumis, the Kalala all these are different? I mean,
in the Brahma world, no more Kalala, only Upapatika.
Okay. Yeah, okay, we will listen to Bhante's lessons later. Yeah, so today is only Kamavachara.
Yes.
Okay. Any other question?
Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanasa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang Sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu. May all of you be healthy. May all of you be well and happy. May all of you be free from all suffering, especially free from COVID-19, the danger of the COVID-19. May all of you be attain Nibbana soon.